But first, breaking news tonight on Highway 58. The CHP says a tanker truck hauling diesel fuel has crashed into another car and started leaking fuel. 23 ABC's Lauren Etlinger is live at the scene.
Well, good evening, Tim and Jackie, and quite a scene here. I mean, there's so many cop cars. Traffic is really starting to slow down. I'm here at the 58 East exit where Mojave and Tehachapi takes off. Also, Stockdale Lane and Brundage. It's completely... I repeat, these lanes are completely closed off after this tanker truck right behind me collided with a big rig at around 9:30. That's when CHP got a call about this tanker truck carrying diesel fuel that collided with another big rig. This is blocking the 58 East exit off the 99 South. You will not be able to take this exit. It seems like less than 20 gallons spilled from this tanker truck, but it's the tank that is actually attached to the truck itself. It is not coming from the tank that is carrying the truck. That tank is actually empty. So the diesel was spilling out of the truck itself. The driver of the truck was taken to KMC with minor injuries. No drugs or alcohol are involved, and there is no hazmat. However, this lane will be blocked off for at least another hour, CHP tells me, and we will keep you updated on details as we get them. For now, back to you.